Hello. Welcome back to Risk of Rain Modding. I know I just made a video on it, but I didn't do commentary. Here's I'm doing commentary. Making a video with mods, but I'm just gonna stack attack speed. Mocha, I understand that gives you attack speed, but that's a curse. We're gonna do metamorphosis and, just so we can get a random character each time for fun. Okay, it's Rex. Now, I haven't seen our character with attack speed, but we're gonna find out what that looks like here and now. Shortly, I should say. I just need to get some attack speed. I ain't going nowhere. I'm just gonna wait for these guys to spawn in. Rex is kinda slow. I'm just curious what it looks like to get max attack speed, or just attack speed. This is a good Gudaka mod, basically multiplies items. I need one more cent. You're kidding. Weakness, cool. Alright, give me green. Boom, bang, bang. No, it's just... Rex has become minigun. Sweet. Alright, now we can just go ahead and dip. Which is what I plan to do. We're not allowed to take anything else, so it could be bad. But it most likely isn't gonna be bad at all. We're just gonna keep stacking the attack speed. Take some damage to negate some damage. Fair trade-off. Are any enemies gonna spawn? Kinda wanna grab more attack speed. Thank you. If it's green, we literally can't take it, but... What the heck? We're just gonna keep doing runs with metamorphosis, and we're just gonna see how it turns out. Where's the exit? Did I not see it over there somewhere? I'm looking for the red dots in the air. Wish you could see what the teleporter was, because that would be useful. Here's the thing, they don't even seem to get hit by weakness. That's the thing, though. I somehow managed to crit. My crit chance is literally 1%. Forgot about that. Oh, look, a Titan. I'm so scared. I gotta go find the teleporter. Which I'm okay with, I guess. I'll go down there. If it's not down there, then I think I know where it is. I'm tired today. I'm tired. I just felt like I'm in the mood to play Risk of Rain today, so that's what I'm doing. Hey, if you don't cut that out. Isn't there something that gives me an attack speed boost here? I know there is. This! If I get critical hits. I mean, it counts, I guess. I mean, with all these shots, I can get a critical chance a few times. I'm saying it's okay to get crit increase because it is for an attack speed increase. Nah, technically cheating because it's crit. It's not over here. If it's red, I don't know what it is. I mean, they give attack speed, so it is okay because it gives attack speed. It's just only when I crit, and I don't crit that often. But with all the shots, I didn't get a crit often, I guess. So for green items, that little mask is allowed because it does give attack speed increase. Problem is, it'll never activate. Well, never say never because it just did. All right, I only have one more guess. Standing here. I'm more curious to see how this would look like on Engineer with his robot turrets or whatever. Donut of power. We're allowed to grab any lunar items because yes, And yeah, I would grab would be the shells and the tonic that give me all my stats increase, because attack speed is all my stats. So, I'm allowed to take the tonic and also the shells to make the tonic go fast. Which I guess is kind of a... Because, I mean, the shells, they make my thing go faster, and the thing makes my attack speed go faster. So, I guess it makes sense. And the shells don't do anything else. It's not like oh yeah, critical hit chance, and it's not like yeah, critical hits make me do more damage. No, it's not like that. It does nothing except make me attack faster and give me a boost to my stats. Which attack speed is one of the stats, so I'm allowing that. This is the last place I think it could be. If it's not here, I'm actually going to be in shock. There it is. Yay, I found it. Da 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 da. Wow, that takes a while. Don't really have a damage increase. What items did you drop? Oh, I can pick them. If I can pick them, I can use them. Well, I can pick any item, so. Attack speed, I can use it. Can y'all leave me alone for a second? I'm busy. Leave me alone, I'm busy. So yeah, if I ever do go to a blue portal, I can grab the attack speed increase. Or like the tonic and also the shells, because that only increases the tonic, which the tonic increases my attack speed and all the other stats, so it still counts. Okay, Agrid. About what I expected. It's really what I expected. That does a lot more damage than Rex. We're just going, because what's the point of grabbing anything? Well, we already have max of whatever we need. Agrid, we're gonna go in insanity. Let's do this. What are we fighting? Oh no, it's Stone Titan. It's honestly amusing to me. We can use green items because they give me attack speed. Da 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 da. Bye bye. Bye bye. Into the abyss I go. Soldier! Well, if you haven't seen Soldier yet, he basically just does... Yeah, he does that. We can go faster with that. We can go faster attack speed. We can go faster attack speed. Well, I mean, yeah. That makes sense. And that is always on cooldown, which means we always have it. We can have an infinite spraying machine. And that's what I like to see, man. That's what I like to see, brother. When does it run out? I don't think it's gonna run out for a while. I don't think it's gonna run out for a while. Nah, this ain't gonna run out for a while. Oh wow, it finally ran out. Oh well, time to put it back on. Where's the teleporter? I don't think you're gonna want to live any longer than what you already do. I've become a flamethrower of bullets. Or minigun. I mean, I think flamethrower is more accurate, because flamethrowers are faster than minigun. Miniguns are flamethrowers just infinite. There is no... Dang, that guy's tanky. I gotta remember, I could still die. If I'm not careful, I could still die. Anything here give me attack speed? You know, I should probably just leave. I don't think any of that stuff gives me attack speed. I'm just gonna go. That was loud as heck. Alright, next character. What do we got? We got Commando again. I'll take it. Let's just, well, let's destroy all the eggs, because yes. Sorry for your eardrums, people. Where are the rest of the eggs? They must be destroyed immediately. I don't know why I did that. There's a chance I'll lose now because of that. Ah, I forgot I have no way of healing. Concerning. I forgot. I'm gonna be at 1 HP. I had to beat this entire thing with 1 HP. Don't make it lower. Godly. Feels good to have my, not have my ears absolutely just decimated by these things. I could have got some healing, but I'm not going to, because I said this is attack speed only. Let's find out where this stupid thing is. I don't know where this thing is. Where is this teleporter? Bruh. Whatever. Let's try some more characters that I'm curious to try. We'll turn off Metamorphosis, because I'm just curious to try a few more characters. I'm curious to try Engineer. Curious to try Engineer, and that's about it. Maybe more towards Huntress and Engineer. I mean, I kind of tried out Huntress, but like, yeah. Well, I forgot I have custom skins, so I should be using those custom skins. Ugh! Engineer's the most curious I am. Because turret. I'll see what they do while I run around. Give me green, and we're set. Godly! I'm about to do my turret attack. Oh. Ain't nobody getting them. I also throw mines the same. I also throw mines the same speed that I shoot. Yeah, where are the rest of them? As soon as they spawn and they're just getting decimated. Oh well, why not more? Because they can just... Godly, I can literally do the most craziest things. That's just... I look at that and I'm like, it's insanity. I might grab Alien Head to reduce cooldown so I can put more turrets down, but apart from that, I'm just gonna do that. Where's the teleporter? I'm looking for the dots, I don't see them. Okay. Whatever. Attack speed should be making quick use. Where's the teleporter? Where's the teleporter? I'm pretty sure I could just kinda... There we are! Finally! Ow. Alright. Boom, bam. I mean, they can die, but like, yeah, I doubt they'll even get a chance to live. They are focused on the little guys, which is upsetting, but what are you gonna do? I'll take green, I'll take shabalama lama 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 shabalama lama 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 lama. I would grab the alien head if I made it to the blue area. I think I'm gonna go to bed after this. I'm just tired. It's not even that late. It's pretty early, but it's not that late. I tried to do what I wanted to try out, which was engineer. You know, maniac. Maniac. I think I tried Hunter's. What I really want to try is this with mods. This right here with mods. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's just try it real quick. What's the worst that could happen? Remove artifact of command. And let's just try this, because I have wanted to try it before. Begin assessment. What do you mean a begin assessment? Okay, don't walk out there then. Yeah. Okay, it's a wave hunt. Okay, interesting. It's like a wave fighting thing. Well, with mods, this should be absolutely hilarious. Survive. Objective, survive. I found that a pretty funny objective. Survive. Well, I mean, all I need is one item. You know? We only get to choose from 3. Oh, okay. That's a shame. Unless we grab this, then we can choose from any element. I think attack speed is priority, I think, for now at least. This isn't just attack speed, this is like a one-off thing. I should probably try this out differently. I want the gray. Oh, I forgot I turned off. Oh, God. Well, I'll do that a different day. Thank you guys for watching this random video. Have a good day, guys. Bye.